Let's take a look at this dragon. It's a 3D printed dragon that's 3D printed as a single piece. I recommend you to wing the 3D printing process. It's quite fascinating to see once it's printed and it's broken apart and you get this dragon intact with all this flexibility. Each of these individual chunks are movable, so it's quite flexible. That's how it looks up close. Lots of nice details in there. This is 29 centimeters long, costs around 299 rupees or $3 or so, and this white material glows in the dark. Such a fun desk toy. It prints like this. You don't have to assemble it. Such a beautiful looking dragon. Quite nice. Check it out.